If a meeting is processed as a discovery intro or a client meeting, Jump will type a recap email that you can send to the client. To access the recap email, look in the top right corner below the automation section and click on the recap email button. Once you've opened your email, you can review the email and get ready to send it by clicking on the green button at the bottom that will say something like Open in your email provider, or click the copy button, which will copy the email to your clipboard. Then you can go into your email provider, right-click or control-click, and select Paste to paste the email into a draft window. Whether you click on the Open in your email provider button or the copy button and then paste it into your email provider, remember that Jump isn't going to send the email for you. It'll get you halfway there, but you will still need to review the email in your email provider and then click the Send button from there. Once you've clicked the Open in your email provider button or the copy button, Jump will mark the email automation with a green check mark indicating that you've clicked one of those buttons and helping you know what automations you've already reviewed.